Hi, this is Dr. Corritore, and this is just a quickie on how to finish up the query we were writing in class that had to do with an if. So this is the query that we had made called inventory analysis. This is in the electronic merchandise database from chapter 4. Has the one table, sales data, and the query, you can see the rest of the query, and we had added a custom. This is the field that's all 8s. This is a calculated field, and this was going to be our test if field that we were just going to put a test in. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to put my cursor in that field and then go up and pick the builder, expression builder. I'm going to call this field, I think we were calling it binary decision, and a colon after that. So I'm going to go down and find my function, and I want the IIF, which is basically I'm looking a little further to make sure they don't have it categorized a different way. This is Access's if statement. Okay, and you can see how it looks. And I'm going to work backwards a little bit here. So if our logic statement, we're trying to say if unit sales LW is greater than 100, we want to put a 1 in this column. If it's less than 100, we want to put a 0. So the third argument is a 0. If that's greater than 100, we want to put a 1. And the logic, the logic argument itself, we're going to go back to our table and pick our unit sales. Double click on that. If that's greater than 100. Okay, and then we need to get rid of the expression piece. There we go. So if unit sales LW is greater than 100, put a 1 in this column, otherwise put a 0 here. Okay. So let's go ahead and run that, and we'll scroll down, and there it is. So you can see here's a unit sales of 225 with a 1, here's a 20, that should be a 0, and it is. So that's how that would work. And that's the end of my movie. Now I have to find out how to shut off the movie.